This is a lesson for my women's studies class that details the unequal treatment female entrepreneurs face when trying to obtain funding for business startups. The title of the TED Talk presentation is called The Real Reason Why Female Entrepreneurs Get Less Funding by Dana Kanze. The instructions. The students are to watch the following TED Talk, answer the questions on the presentation of their choice, and make sure to refer to the video. But mainly, they are to please watch the video. Include pictures on their slides that are relevant to the questions, and all presentations are due the following day at 11:59 p.m. in order for the students to be prepared for a discussion during the next class. As you can see, this is a picture of Dana Kanze in the middle of the TED Talk. At the bottom is a link to the TED Talk, so the students will not have to look for the link themselves. There are 9 questions on the TED Talk. There are 6 on this slide, and the other 3 are on this slide. Finally, the students are to critique the TED Talk using the enclosed form. They must use DocHub in order to complete the PDF form, and if they do not have DocHub on their Chromebook, they need to download the extension from the Chrome store and use the text boxes in the toolbar in order to fill out the form. Once they complete the form, they must save it to their Google Drive in order to upload it into the Schoology application. This is the end of the instructions for this assignment. Normally, my students have a free choice of presentation guides they would like to use. It is their option as long as there are pictures included.